In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user stories in Jira. If you're managing work in Jira, creating clear user stories is an important part of keeping your backlog organized and helping your team understand what needs to be built. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process for creating a new story from within your Jira project. To begin, go to your Jira board or backlog view and look for the Create button. Click Create to open the Issue Creation window. This is where you'll enter all the details for your new work item. If you're new to Jira, this pop-up is the main place where issues like tasks, bugs, and stories are added, so it's helpful to get comfortable with this screen. Once the window opens, click on the Work Type field. This field controls what kind of issue you're creating, and it's important to choose the right type so the item is categorized properly in your project. From the list of available options, select Story. Choosing Story tells Jira that this item represents a user need or feature request rather than another type of work. After that, move to the Summary field and enter a short, clear title for your user story. The summary should quickly explain what the story is about. Try to keep it specific and easy to scan, since this is usually the first thing your team will see in the backlog, on boards, and in search results. Next, enter the description. This is where you can provide more detail about the story, including what the user needs, the goal of the feature, or any background that would help your team understand the request. A good description adds context without being overly complicated, so aim for clarity and relevance. Once the summary and description are in place, fill in the other fields that appear in the form. Depending on how your Jira project is set up, these could include things like priority, assignee, labels, sprint, epic link, or other custom fields. Complete the fields that are required, and if your team has a standard way of organizing stories, this is a good time to make sure everything is aligned with that process. When you've reviewed the information and everything looks correct, click Create again to submit the story. Jira will then generate the new user story and add it to your project so it can be tracked, prioritized, and worked on by the team. That's all it takes to create a user story in Jira. As a final tip, take an extra moment before submitting to make sure the title is clear and the description gives enough context, because well-written stories make planning and collaboration much easier.